Now with your brand new MyGMC mobile app, you can unlock your vehicle's full potential right from your smartphone. The new MyGMC mobile app combines the best features of the current GMC mobile app and the OnStar Remote Link mobile app into one cohesive experience. No other vehicle comes with a more comprehensive mobile app included with your vehicle ownership. Enjoy convenience and control no matter where you are, giving you a seamless GMC ownership experience right from the palm of your hand. Use your MyGMC mobile app to view your vehicle diagnostic information. Send remote commands like starting your car or unlocking your doors. Set a parking reminder for your vehicle. Find a nearby GMC dealership. Schedule service and maintenance. Send destinations from the app to your vehicle's navigation system, and more. You can customize the mobile app dashboard to your preferences. Simply drag and drop the features so the ones you use most are easily accessible. The new MyGMC mobile app works with Apple smartphones and is available to download through the Apple App Store. The app can also work on Android smartphones and can be downloaded through Google Play. To get started, download the MyGMC mobile app and log in using your OnStar.com username and password or your current My.GMC.com username and password. If you don't already have an account, setting one up is easy. Follow the Create Account prompt and enter your information. Then you have access to a range of app features to enjoy. Your new vehicle comes with 3 GB of free data, but you'll have the option to easily purchase more when you need it directly from the mobile app. If you need further help, visit your GMC Owner Center at my.gmc.com or contact an OnStar advisor at 888-4OnStar. The MyGMC mobile app gives you the convenience of vehicle management and control of vehicle features, all from your smartphone. Go ahead, download this must-have technology to unlock your vehicle's full potential with the MyGMC mobile app. You'll always be in the driver's seat, even when you're nowhere near it.